to touch on a subject. You all know what really grinds my gears a little? Why are people so pressed about a check engine light? Like, dude, like, do you not know about modified cars? Modern modified cars have all the fucking lights on. Like, you guys will see a brand new car with modifications. It'll have every light in the dashboard on. That does not mean it's broken. Okay? So get that through your head. Please. Because it is a little annoying, not gonna lie, having to explain every time, like, oh, why is your truck have a check engine light? Well, it's because it has a cat efficiency code, because it has no cats, because it has long tube headers. And also, we live in a day and age where the EPA has overreach, and the tuner will literally get his shop shut down if he gets caught shutting codes. So, welcome to my pep talk. What's up, guys? It's your boy Andre Garcia 5.0 once again, and today we're going to be doing some exhaust changes to the GMC Sierra. Today we're going to be installing some Corsa Resonators and taking off our Vibrate Ultra Quiet Resonators. So, alright guys, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Alright, it's like 7 in the morning right now. I have to turn the truck on in quiet mode and get going because I do not want to piss off the neighbors. So here are the Corsa Resonators. I am excited for this change. Let me close my valves before turning it on. All right, there you go. All right, let's go. And I wonder how loud it's going to be with these, even with the valves closed. So this might just go out of the window, actually. But hey, I mean, hey, it'll all be worth it, right? So I could have 100% a Corsa sound, because I do feel like these vibrant resonators do interfere with the way Corsa should sound ultimately. And here we are at the gas station now. The fuel light just turned on, so let's get to pumping. All right, put some gas in here. All right, let's go. I really wonder how it's gonna sound like with the Corsa Resonators. I really do wonder if it's just gonna be a big tone change and not much of a volume increase, or if it's gonna be radically louder and, you know, a different tone as well. Guess we'll have to wait and see. All right, so once again, we are at Sierra Mufflers. Go check them out. They're in Modesto. So yeah, here's the truck. It's up on the left now, and it's ready to get worked on. And for those of you that are new to this channel, I'm currently running a equal length true dual setup. These are Corsa Extreme axle bags from a 15 to 23 Mustang GT. I had them retrofit them into this truck. So yeah, if you guys want to go check out that video. And right here goes on to 2 Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonators, and right here we did some weird shit, but it was my idea and it worked, as you guys could see. I decided to put cutouts, but I decided to go a unique way about them because I did not want to just dump them, because I wanted for whenever the cutout is open for it to go through the Corsa Extreme, and whenever it's closed, it goes through the Vibrant Resonator and then to the Corsa Extreme. So yeah, that did make a difference. And but now we're gonna get rid of these 2 and replace them with Corsa Resonators, some tiny Corsa Resonators. So let's see how much different it sounds, if it gets louder or what's up. So yeah, and over here we have a CTS VX pipe. Speed Engineering CTSV X pipe, 09 to 2015, I believe. And yeah, this idea was from Northern Performance. He was the creator of this idea right here. He's the one that taught me that the L pipe right here is the one that makes the truck sound like a truck. And whenever you have your exhaust set up like this, laid out like a car, it's gonna sound more like a car, because that was the end goal. I wanted this truck to not sound so much like a truck, and I wanted it to sound more like a car. Okay, so now we have some cheap long tube headers. Please don't ever buy these. Yeah, I had many issues with them, fitment issues, and also the owner of the company did not take care of me, so I have a very sour taste in my mouth about them. They're GSM headers, by the way. I only got them because they were able to ship to California. If not, trust me, I would have gotten some Cook's long tube headers or something legit like that. But I guess for now I'm gonna have to ride out like this. So yeah, so here's my exhaust setup, guys. And here are the Corsa Resonators. You guys can see there's some tiny resonators. Corsa Performance, like always. Corsa top-notch quality. It's coming out pretty good so far. Oh yeah. Oh, they look like they do belong in there for sure. All right, and she is ready now. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, we got the Corsa Resonators right there. Oh yeah, ready to go, baby. I cannot wait to see what this truck is gonna sound like. All right, well, let's start it up and see what she sounds like. All right, guys. All right, moment of truth. All right. Right. Hell yeah. All right, so here it is with the valves closed. Okay. It does sound a little different. Maybe a little hair louder. It's not too loud. It sounds about the same loudness wise. It does have a better tone. So yeah, I'm pretty content with this, and this is with the valves closed. Now let's open the valves and see what it sounds like with the valves open. All right, let me get on the freeway out here in Mexico. All right, let's see what's up now with this. Freeway right now. All right, let's get it. That's how you get in the freeway, guys. That's how you get in the freeway. All right. Hell yeah. Well, I cannot wait for whenever I do decide to go boost it on this truck. She'll be a good, she'll do some good pulls on the highway too at higher speeds, unlike right now that it's a little on the slower side. But all right, let's get it. Woo! There's a Mustang right here on slicks. Oh, I'll for sure get smoked right now. But you know what? It's always cool dream. It's always cool to dream, right? Imagine a three-way race. Oh yeah. Ooh, 3 badass cars. All right. And this is how strangers connect. Well, see you later, Mustang. Damn, that thing was a turbo Civic. What the fuck? Nice. God damn. My bad. I did not mean to say turbo second. I meant to say turbo RSX. That's just how excited I got. Well, I hope they have a good time. Oh man, I wish I could keep the fun ongoing, but damn, that was some good shit right there. All right, let's get in the freeway again. All right. That's how you get in the freeway, boys. Alright, so far, I really like the way she sounds. So yeah, this is just normal driving with the valves open. Let's do a little pull. Alright. See what she does, pedal to the floor. Woo! Oh yeah. Damn good for a truck, I would say.
No, for sure. Better than most trucks.
that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have a blessed one. Really appreciate you guys watching this video. And yeah, I'm pretty content with the sound. A few days later now, I was reviewing some footage and I was like, damn, it actually does sound more crispy than what it used to. So not much of a volume difference, but definitely sounds more crispy. So all right guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, share to your friends, and yeah guys, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.